I am Srishant. Today I am going to do the activity for the story of road. It's early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chip, chip, chip. Say the sparrows. Chip, chip, chip. Ka, ka, ka. Says the crow. Ka, ka, ka. Wake up, wake up. Hear someone else now. Triggling, 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 triggling. It's the newspaper boy. Triggling, triggling, says his bicycle. Triggling, triggling, wake up. Chip, 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 say the sparrows. Chip, chip, ka, ka, says the crow. Wake up. Who is coming now? The vegetable man. Peas, cauliflower, cabbage, says the vegetable man. Potato, cucumber, radish, carrot, cat, says the crow. Wake up. Chip, chip, says the sparrow. Tap, 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 tap. Chatter, 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 chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chat, 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 chat. Talk the school children. Tap, 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 tap. Goes their shoes. Peas, carrot, cabbage, calls the vegetable man. Chip, 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 say the sparrows. Ka, ka, says the crow. Wake up. Ka, 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 says the crow. Ka, ka, wake up. Wake up. Ask the road. Can't you see, foolish bird? I am wide awake. Written by Poilesan Gupta. Nouns from the lesson are road, bird, sparrow, boy, crow, vegetable, peas, cauliflower, potato, carrot, children, and shoe, school, bicycle, radish, cucumber, man. Let's see the verbs from the lesson.
Listen.
Listened, listening, listened.
Go.
Went, going, gone.
Call.
Called, calling, called.
Talk.
Talked, talking, talked.
Say.
Said, saying, said.
Ask.
Asked, asking, asked.
Wake.
Woke, waking, woken.
See.
Saw, seeing, seen.
Come.
Came, coming, come. Now let us see the opposites.
Early.
Late,
Asleep.
awake,
Quiet.
noisy,
Now.
then,
Come.
go,
Wide.
narrow,
Wise.
foolish,
Softly.
loudly. Let us see the singular and plural.
Bird.
Birds,
Sparrow.
sparrows,
Crow.
crows,
Child.
children,
Man.
men,
Boy.
boys,
School.
schools,
Shoe.
shoes,
Bicycle.
bicycles,
Vegetable.
vegetables,
Potato.
potatoes,
cucumber,
cucumbers,
radish,
radishes,
carrot,
carrots,
pea,
peas,
cauliflower,
cauliflowers,
cabbage,
cabbages,
road,
roads. Rules to be followed in the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do not run on the street. Always walk on the pavement. Never stick your hand or your head out of a moving vehicle. Get off on the safer side of the car. Know the traffic sign. Do not drink and drive. Do not play on busy streets. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle moving ahead. Always wear seat belt. Always drive within speed limit. Always avoid distraction. Never break the red signal. Avoid the drowsiness while driving. Watch out for drivers on the road. Now I am going to sing a traffic signal song. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait till the light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Now I am going to sing another one song. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The signal on the road goes blink, 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 blink. The signal on the road goes blink, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The motor on the bus goes brum, 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 brum. The motor on the bus goes brum, 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 all through the town. The window on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The window on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says move on back, all through the town. The conductor on the bus says ticket, 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 ticket. The conductor on the bus says ticket, 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 all through the town. The father on the bus goes read, 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 read. The father on the bus goes read, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. Difference between village road and city road. Village road are kacha, city road are pakka. Village road are narrow, city roads are broad. We can see many people in the village road selling the things, vegetable, fruits, etc. In city road, we see less people selling the vegetable, fruits, etc. We can see less traffic signs in village road. We can see many traffic signs in city road. Buller cart and horse cart can be seen on village road. We can see car, bike, scooty, lorries, trucks, buses, etc. on city roads. We can not see many traffic police on village road. 1 or 2 will be there. We can see many traffic police. We can see traffic policemen in each and every signal in city road. Can do, cannot do. I can dance, but I cannot sing. I can jog, but I cannot run. I can eat, but I cannot cook. I can jump, hop, but I cannot fly. I can read more lessons, but I cannot write more lessons. Words starting with R-O-A. Road, roar, roam, roaster, roast. Roadside, roadshow, roadless, roadbed, roadway. Roaching, roadster. Roadworks, roadrunner. Roadworthy, roadblocks. Thank you.